How to update your browser. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in this particular device, the browser is Google Chrome. So the browser might be different for each device depending on the convenience of the user. So in order to update the browser, what you can simply do is launch the Play Store application on your device. Simply what you need to do is tap on the search bar and simply search for your Chrome browser or any browser in that matter. So I'm going to search for Google Chrome, and as I search for it, you'll be able to see the option of update over here if you have an update available. So you can simply tap on update and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So as it starts updating, you just have to wait for a while until it gets fully updated and installed, and you'll be able to have the updated version and latest version of your browser on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.